Good morning students. 10th standard maths chapter 2 numbers and sequences. First of all, sequence definition. A sequence is a function defined on the set of natural numbers and taking real values. So what is sequence? Sequence means the number of elements is a sequence. Two types are given for sequence. First one is a finite sequence, second one is a infinite sequence. So finite sequence means countable number of elements is called a finite sequence. Already we learned in the lower classes. Infinite sequence means, for example, 1, 3, 5, 7 up to etc. That one is a infinite sequence. Okay, so sequence means the number of elements is a sequence. Okay, this one is a n value is a only for a natural numbers only. So natural numbers means n equal to 1, 2, 3 up to etc. only. Okay, the first position is called a first term. The sequence first position is called a first term. So the first term is a a1, then second term is a2, third term is a3, fourth term is a4 up to etc. is a an. So general term is a an equal to a1, a2, a3 up to etc. an. Okay, next one is continue this. So three model sums are given for this exercise. First one, a sequence given, find the next three terms is a first model. Then second one, a sequence given, find the general form is a second model. Then third model is a general term given, find the next three terms or any values are given. Next find out the terms only. So three model sums are given for this exercise. So exercise 2.4, so first question, find the next three terms of the following sequence. First one is 8, 24, 72 up to etc. Find the next three terms only. See the terms. First term is 8 only. The next term is 24. Third term is 72. So we can apply the four operation symbols and find out the next three terms. Only addition or subtract or multiple or divide only, apply and find out the answer. First term is 8 only, next term is 24 only given, so multiply by 3, so 8 3s are 24. Okay, the next term also multiply by 3. So each term multiply by 3 only. So general term is n equal to 3n. So multiply and find out the next three terms. 72. So 72 into 3 equal to 3 2s are 6, 7 3s are 21. So fourth term is 216. Then 216 into 3 equal to 6 3s are 18, balance 1, 1 3s are 3 plus 1. So 4, 2 3s are 6, 648. The next term is 648 into 3. Equal to 3 8s are 24, balance 2, 4 3s are 12, 12 plus 2, 14, balance 1, 6 3s are 18, 18 plus 1 is 19. So the next three terms are, write down the answer, 8, 24, 72, what is the next fourth term? Is 216, 648, 1944. First Roman number is the third question. Find the next three terms. 1 by 4, 2 by 9, 3 by 16 up to etc. Is the fraction terms are given. First of all, find out the general term. See the numerator value. So numerator is the first value is 1, second one is 2, 3. So normally n equal to natural numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. That value only substitute the value. So see the numerator is applied by the natural number is n only, and see the denominator, all the numbers are square numbers only, 4, 9, 16. So denominator is first value is 1, so 1 square means is a value is 1, but 4 only given, so include by 1 only. So n by within bracket n natural numbers plus 1 whole square only, apply for this answer. For one answer n equal to 1, 1 by 1 plus 1 whole square. So 1 by 2 square means is a 4 only. So substitute the next term. So n equal to, substitute the next three terms, n equal to 4, 5, 6 only. So next n equal to 4. So Substitute this value 4 divided by 4 plus 1 whole square equal to 4 by 4 plus 1 is a 5 square equal to 4 by 25 is a next fourth term. Next one is a n equal to 5. So put the n value n equal to 5 divided by 5 plus 1 whole square equal to 5 by 5 plus 1 is a 6 square equal to 5 by 36. Next value n equal to 6. 6 by 6 plus 1 whole square equal to 6 by 7 square equal to 6 by 7 square means is a 49. So write down the answer. The next 3 terms are 1 by 4, comma 2 by 9, comma 3 by 16, comma write down the next one 4 by 25, comma 5 by 36, comma 6 by 49. Okay, the next 3 terms are 4 by 25, 5 by 36 and 6 by 49. Okay, next one is the second question. Find the first 4 terms of the sequence whose nth term are given by. So general term given, find the first 4 terms only. General term, so normally n value 4 terms means n value 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 terms only find out. So substitute the n value, substitute in general form. So first value is a1 equal to 1 cube minus 2 equal to 1 cube means 1 minus 2 equal to minus 1. Then a2 second value 2 cube minus 2. So 2 cube means 8 minus 2 equal to 6. Next a3 equal to 3 cube minus 2. So 27 minus 2 equal to 25. Next one is a4 equal to 4 cube minus 2 equal to 64 minus 2 equal to 62. The first 4 terms are, write down the answer. What is the first term? Is a minus 1 comma, second term 6 comma, third term 25 comma, and then fourth term is a 62. Second question. Find the first 4 terms of the following. Second one, an equal to minus 1 power n plus 1 into n into within bracket n plus 1. Substitute the first 4 terms only find out. So n equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. So substitute the value. First value a1 equal to minus 1 power. So n value is a 1. 1 plus 1 into n value 1 into within bracket 1 plus 1. Okay, find out minus 1 power 1 plus 1 is a 2 into 1 into 1 plus 1 into 2. Okay, so minus 1 is a 2 times multiple, is a answer sign is a plus only. So 1 into 1 into 2 equal to answer first term is a 2 only. Next one is a a2. So minus 1 power n value 2 plus 1 into 2 into 2 plus 1. So right, minus 1 power 2 plus 1 is a 3 into 2 into 2 plus 1 is a 3. So minus 1 power 3 is a odd, power term is a odd number given means sign is a minus sign only. So right, minus 1 into 2 into 3 equal to answer is a minus 6. Okay, next one is a a3. Minus 1 power 3 plus 1 into 3 into 3 plus 1. So minus 1 power 4 into 3 into 4. Okay, see the power term is a even term only, so sign is a plus only. 1 into 3 into 4 equal to answer 3 4s are 12. Next one is a a4 equal to minus 1 power 4 plus 1 into 4 into 4 plus 1. So minus 1 power 4 plus 1 is a 5 into 4 into 4 plus 1 is a 5. So odd number given means power term odd term given means so sign is a minus. Minus 1 into 4 into 5 equal to sign is a minus. 4 5s are 20. So first 4 terms are, what is the first term is a 2 comma, second term is a minus 6 comma, third term is a 12 comma, fourth term is a minus 20. Third question, find the nth term of the following sequences. So So third, second one, 0, 1 by 2, 2 by 3 up to etc. So say number of elements are given, find the general form only, find out the answer. So first see the fraction numbers. 0, denominator is not given, 0 divided by 1. Next one is 1 by 2, 2 by 3. So in numerator n equal natural numbers is 1, 2, 3, 4 up to etc. Okay, see the numerator term. First value is a 0. So normally first value substitute the value is a 1. So 1 more number you subtract, the answer is a 0 only. So 1 minus 1 equal to 0. See the next value is a 2. 2 minus 1. So numerator you can apply n minus 1 divided by, see the denominator, first value is n equal to 1. Second value is n equal to 2. Third value is n equal to 3. So n minus 1 divided by n. Okay, check the answer. First term is n minus 1. What is the first term? 1. 1 minus 1 divided by 1. Next one is a 2 minus 1 divided by n equal to 2. Next one is a 3 minus 1 divided by n equal to 3. Check the answer. 1 minus 1 is 0 by 1 equal to 1, 1 by 2, 3 minus 1 is a 2 by 3. So answer 0, 1 by 2, 2 by 3. So what is the nth term? The nth term is, what is the nth term? N minus 1 divided by n. Say one, the third one, find the nth term of the following. Is the third question. 3, 8, 13, 18 up to etc. Find the nth term. So general term only find out. Say n value n equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. That of the value only substitute. Okay, see the first term. So 3 only given. 8, 13 and then 18. Then numerator you subtract or add. So general marks, that the sums is a general marks only. So sum of the terms is added by the n value 1 or 2 or 3, anything else, add or subtract this number and find out the answer. No need to given for the fraction number, only numerator only given. So general term, first term is a 3 only. So first value is a 1. So normally apply 1, but answer is a 3 only given. So it's not subtract the term. So multiply by 5n minus n value 1 means 5 into 1 is a 5 minus, what are the terms you mentioned? It's a 3 only answer. So 5n minus 2. That value only, substitute the value. Then see the next term also 2. 5 2s are 10 minus 2. So see the term. Substitute the value 5 into 1 minus 2, next term 5 into 2 minus 2, third value 5 into 3 minus 2, next fourth value 5 into 4 minus 2. Check the answer. 5 ones are 5, 5 minus 2, next one 10 minus 2, next one 15 minus 2, 20 minus 2. See the term. 5 minus 2 is a 3, is the first term, answer correct. 10 minus 2, 8, second term. 15 minus 2 is a 13, third term, and then 20 minus 2 is a 18, is a fourth term. So the nth term is, what is the general form? Is a 5n minus 2. Okay, today's homework. Find the next 3 terms of the following. First, second one, 5, 1, minus 3 up to etc. Then second question, find the first 4 terms of the following. So third one, an equal to 2n squared minus 6.